What's good, and welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're going to go over Polygon, guys. We're currently sitting at $1.43. We had that relief bounce that we covered in yesterday's video. We're sitting at a market cap of 9.25 billion. We're down about 2.4% on the day, and their 24-hour volume is 954 million. So, guys, if you're new to crypto.com, make sure to sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app. Receive $25 in crypto just for signing up through my referral. So we're going to start here on the 1 hour time frame. So we had our bullish divergence that I went over yesterday. I said that we could see a relief bounce. So this is exactly what happened. We came up, we hit our resistance at $1.55, and we rolled over once again. The bullish volume was not strong, and the bears took control, picked up the volume, and we've come down. We came all the way down. We wicked down to our level of support at $1.38. Now currently we're still having a bullish divergence. You can see here the RSI is rising while the price is falling. So we may see a bit of a relief bounce once again to come up and test $1.47. However, the bulls have not been showing much strength. If we quickly look at Bitcoin, we can see here with Bitcoin, we are having a bit of a relief bounce, as I had gone over in my Bitcoin video. But the bullish volume, it's seeing a little bit of increase, but it's still not that high. I would like to see quite a bit larger bullish volume if we were going to see a move back to the upside here. But let's jump back into MATIC. So what may happen is we have a relief bounce. We come up and we hit resistance on the EMAs are at $1.47, and we create a head and shoulders. See, here's your left shoulder, guys. Here's your head, and this would be your right shoulder. And there's quite a larger head and shoulders on Ethereum that I want to show you guys as well. So if that does happen, if we come up and we start to roll once again and we break this neckline, it's quite a large breakdown target here. Would basically bring MATIC down. Let's give it a little price target. The technical target is down here at $1.24. Now we do have a major level of support at $1.29. See all the support in this area. But we are currently fighting to hold the golden ratio. If we go swing low up to swing high, you can see here we are just slightly breaking back above the golden ratio. We had been back testing as resistance quite a bit. So if we fail to hold that, then you can come back down to where you started, which is down right in between that $1.29. It's down at about $1.27, which was our previous swing low here. So I'm going to pop over into MATIC on the 4 hour time frame. So you can see we're about to have the bearish cross here. So if we do come up and hit resistance, we'll also be hitting resistance on the EMAs on the 4 hour chart. The bulls would really have to step up. I think we are looking a bit more bearish in my opinion. Here's MATIC on the daily. So we can see here on the daily that we are down at the 20 EMA, which we have bounced off previously. We do have a bearish divergence here on the daily, created a high, created a higher high, lower high. It is starting to play out here. So unless we bounce, if you see us hold a strong level of support and we bounce, I would target that $1.29, and it lines up with the 200 EMA as well, guys. So I want to show you guys Ethereum here. So here's Ethereum on the 1 hour chart. So we had that relief bounce. We hit resistance 3241 and we rolled over, and we found support on the levels that we dropped down here, 3087, and we're seeing a little bit of relief here. So I'm going to take this Fibonacci out here, and we're going to go swing low, swing high. So come down here, swing low, swing high. We are also having a bullish divergence for Ethereum. The RSI is rising while the price is falling. So we could also see another bit of relief bounce here. But as you can see with Ethereum, we have a couple head and shoulders patterns that may form. I'm just going to show it to you guys here. So you can see this head and shoulders. Let me grab my brush here. Left shoulder, then you would have your head. Whoa. Then you would have your head right here, and you have your right shoulder. And we also have a smaller one on the 1 hour time frame. You can see here left shoulder, head, and if we come up, we hit resistance and we roll, we create a right shoulder once again. But we'll just go over this larger one. So if this neckline is broken, guys, we also have that larger double top pattern. So here's your neckline. So if this neckline is broken, would bring you down to about 2856. And then if we look here on the daily, we also do have that larger double top pattern that would bring you down to 2602. And if we pop it open to the weekly chart, you can see if we were to come down to that, it does line up with the 20 EMA. So if we do go through that larger correction, Do keep an eye on that double top pattern. All right, guys. So let's pop back over to the 1 hour time frame. So we are seeing a bit of relief bounce here with our bullish divergence. So let's drop in these levels of, oh, sorry guys. Let's drop in the levels of resistance here. So here would be one level of resistance, 3159. See the support in this area? And then we could target right around here at 3211 would be a level of resistance, as well as 3274. So keep an eye on these levels of resistance. We come up, we hit resistance, we create that right shoulder, and then we fall back down and we break our neckline from this head and shoulders here. Here would be your neckline. So if you see it start to come down here, let me make this a bit more pretty. You see it start to roll over and we break right around 3060. You're going to see that continuation to the downside. The bulls would really have to step up, in my opinion, to get back above the EMAs. They haven't been showing a lot of strength. So I do think we could see a little bit more continuation to the downside. If we come over to view base and we look at the altcoins, almost all the altcoins are under 50%. For whale positions being long, almost all the alts are underneath. And some of the strong projects, XRP 43%, we have Link 46%, we have XLM 48, 88, 44%. So a lot of the whales are currently shorting the market. So that's something to keep an eye on as well. Head over to viewbase.com if you want to get this information here. So do keep an eye on that right shoulder forming. If you see us hit resistance, we roll over. That head and shoulders can play out. The bulls would really have to step up here. It's the last chance, in my opinion. We are having that bullish divergence, and you can see we're having that relief bounce. But if we just hit resistance, we roll over. We are seeing low bullish volume, and the bulls have been not showing a lot of strength, so we may just see a bit of relief bounce before continuation to the downside. Could be wrong, guys. We could find that strong level of support here on the 20 EMA and see that continuation. Always a possibility, but due to the fact that the whale long positions are under 50% for most of the altcoins, and the bulls are just simply not showing a lot of strength, my bias is a little bit more to the downside. Now we might come down to $1.29 to find support. All right, guys, so that's it for this one. Make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, follow me on social, check out the Discord, and I'll see you in the next one. Much love. Take care.